Hey everyone, welcome to the first video of this VIM course. In this course, we'll learn VIM step by step starting from the basics. In this video, I'll talk about background, introduction, and motivation to learn VIM, and then finally we'll see installation. So before VIM, we had an editor called VI, which was born back in 1970s. And VI is an extension of another editor called ED, which was extensively used in 1960s. Most of the commands in VI is very similar to ED. Since VI is released, it is one of the most powerful editor available. Then fast forward to 1991, VI was further improved and VIM was released. VIM is VI improved. Vim is open source and we can go ahead in GitHub to look at source code. So github.com/vim/vim. Now I'll talk about some motivation. Why we should learn Vim. Firstly, Vim is highly configurable. If you see my Vim, it has, if I open any file, level 2, count number of zeros. So it has line numbers, in fact, relative line numbers starting from 1 upward and downwards. Then I can set various color schemes for background and foreground colors. I can have this red marker at a specific line to have an indication that my code remains with certain characters per line. In short, everything is configurable. And Vim is fast. It can start quickly and its memory and CPU footprint is very less as compared to modern editors that we have today. Also, many modern editors have plugin for Vim available. We don't have to leave our editor that we are using. We can just enable the Vim plugin and then we will have Vim bindings in our current editor that we are using, maybe Golang, VS Code or anything. Then Vim comes in very handy when we has to frequently work on servers like in infra or SRE role, because we don't have a modern editor on those servers. We only has to rely on editors that comes with Linux operating system, and Vim is one of those. In some certification exams like Certified Kubernetes Admin, CKA or CKAD, we are only given Linux machines and we can't use any modern editor. So comfortability with Vim or editor which comes with Linux is a must. I would like to share this Stack Overflow blog, which they released back in 2017. Till that time, the simple question, how to exit from Vim, had 1 million views. And today, that number has grown to 3 million. This is crazy. In some or the other way, developer has to deal with Vim. For installation, in Linux-based machines like macOS, Ubuntu, Vim is already installed. I have given specific commands also for Debian, macOS or RPM-based Linux. We can follow these commands for specific machines if we don't have that installed in our system. For Windows, we can go ahead to this vim.org official website of Vim and download this gvim. So in Windows we have gvim, which works exactly same, but it is the graphical version of it. And then to see the version of Vim that we have in our system, what we can do is we can do vim --version. It will print the version at the top. So here we see this is 9.0. Also, what we can do is we can just type Vim. It will open the Vim without any file and it will show the version. And this is the person who is the core maintainer of Vim repository in GitHub that we saw earlier, Braham. That's it for this video. From the next video onwards, we'll start with Vim commands. Lastly, I would like to say that learning Vim is only about practice. Initially, it may be time consuming and frustrating at times because of the learning curve. But once you are comfortable, you will surely love it and your productivity will also increase. So do practice and stay with me. See you in the next one. Bye.